Hello again, and welcome to the talk show Eagle's Nest in Starship. It's straight from the 80s. Anyway, I've got a very special guest with me today. The beautiful, the talented Miss Stanfield. Come on over, Miss Stanfield. Have a seat. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Sandy. How are you?
I've never been better.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Anyway, Miss Stanfield teaches the thing accent choir.
That's right.
I had to ask, what on earth is accent choir?
Well, Sandy, accent choir is a 4th and 5th grade choir that meets after school during the school year. It's only for our 4th and 5th grade students, so that means it's students from Eastview and our 4th and 5th grade students from Star Center.
Do you need to speak with an accent to join it? Because I can. I can speak with an accent. Go on, pick an accent. I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay. No, you don't have to speak an accent to join. That's just what it's called, an accent choir.
Oh, okay. Now, when does it meet? Because I like to sleep in.
Oh, well, you're lucky because it doesn't meet before school. If you're from Star Center, it meets on Mondays after school from 3:35 until 4:35. And if you're from Eastview, your practices are on Tuesday after school, same time, 3:35 to 4:35.
Well, see, on Tuesday, I already have this thing going on. I weave baskets to put on your head to play Capture the Flag.
Okay, well, then, Sandy, Tuesdays are kind of our day for Eastview. So if you're from Star Center, you are just lucky because Star Center only meets on Monday and Eastview only meets on Tuesday. Now, eventually, as we get closer to our performances, we have some combined rehearsals on Wednesdays.
Why?
Because we have to be able to hear what each other sound like in order for our ensemble to work out. You know, if you're from Eastview, you want to hear what the Star Center part sounds like. Or if you're from Star Center, you want to hear what Eastview's part sounds like. So we have optional rehearsals on Wednesday for you to come to Central Denison, that's where I teach, and to sing together as a group.
Now, I enjoy singing. And I enjoy a lot of different kinds of music, but I don't know what kind of music accent choir does. What are we going to be doing? Are we going to be just singing? Can I dance?
Well, we've got lots of different types of music. We've got music from other cultures that we're going to be singing. We might be singing in different languages sometimes. We always do throw in some popular music because it's important for you to sing music that you know already and that you like too.
That sounds like fun!
It's great! And you know what? We get to go out in the community and share our music for other people. So we get to go to Arbor Village, which is a retirement center in Lake Geneva, and we get to sing for them. We also get to do a school tour where we get to tour to Star Center in Eastview with the whole choir so all of your friends and teachers can hear what you sound like. And then we have a final concert in May, and that's at Eastview School, where all of your parents and friends and family can come and watch you sing.
That sounds exciting, but also a little bit nervous for me because of being in front of all those people. Am I going to be okay?
Oh, you're going to be great. That's the best thing about being in a choir is really if you want to sing by yourself for like solos or small groups, you can audition for those. But other than that, you're singing with a big group of your friends. So you don't have to worry about being up there alone.
Okay, great. Well, I think I know everything that I need to know. Are we missing anything?
Well, let's see here. Let me think. Those Wednesday rehearsals are optional. They're very important. But what we have to worry about is how to get you places. So if you decide to do those Wednesday rehearsals, Eastview has the shuttle bus that you can use to take to Central Denison. Star Center, your parents do have to drive you because we don't have enough money for a bus to get you there. So, your parents can drive you to Central Denison just for those Wednesdays. And then on Mondays and Tuesdays, it is parent pickup only. There is no activity bus because this is a special activity where we're not going to have buses taking you everywhere.
But it's okay if you have a parent who drives, like a Volkswagen or a helicopter.
Right. Volkswagens and helicopters are highly encouraged.
Excellent.
Well, thank you so much for having me, Sandy. 4th and 5th graders, I hope we have a nice big group this year.
I'll see you all later for the next installment.
Next installment. Check you later.